They're getting all the bottles out of the public bins, and I just so feel like that would be my dad. First time fishing for both of us. Why would you chuck it into a rock, babe?
Enjoy your holiday. Oh, what?
Hey, shut up! I should wear my bikini like this. And Aussie was like, oh, why don't you? I was like, no, it's going on thighs here. Or thighs here. Thighs can you sell?
Tan wala ni ya utata ni Victoria. No wale to na o misi tangata e na te torua. This song is dedicated to my superhero, my big bubble. Makwai single pepe.
Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, I have not done my hair, so don't mind that. But we're up early morning. Well, not really early morning, kind of early morning. Daylight savings today, so it was 6:19, but it's actually 7:19 now. We've got one of our fishing rods. Going to go and see if we can find some live bait.
Morning, guys. So now we're going to have a look. Another day, another hour.
Another day, another hour. Oh, baby's been here all night. So we went to sleep last night and did not eat dinner. We watched the NRL footy finals, and by the time we finished, all the restaurants were closed. Like legit. We were thinking of driving 20 minutes to go to a Macca's, but didn't really think that was worth it, and we wouldn't get our car parked for the night. Didn't feel comfortable parking out in the front of the road either. So we sacrificed, just went to sleep with no dinner. And that was fine. I don't feel overly hungry today, but we will definitely have some breakfast this morning. I'm just so excited to fish, honestly. It's like one of the things I've always wanted to do. We should have just brought both of them then. I guess we could just do one because you're a license. I haven't paid for my license yet.
I'm very important here in the streets. That's why they bring me.
Well, they didn't bring you the license, honey. You applied for it. Or rather, I applied for it. But okay, go ahead. You're so important.
Yeah, I'm important. So, yeah. Got a license here. So fishing.
Wow, look at this bamboo.
Bamboo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, what's that bamboo paper? Pick it up. Alrighty, Aphrodite. So we're going to look for a live bait shop.
First baby, driving, nice, warm, nice. And
then after,
here for
look, I've got my gym gear on. Plan to go for a walk after this. So it's a 10k walk. I'm not sure how much of the 10k I will make it. I definitely know Aussie will make it all, but I'm going to really...
I make it feel careful.
That's what I just said, babe. Yeah, I'm going to push myself as far as I can, but I woke up this morning and I feel like a truck has hit me. I am so sore. We pretty much walked around everywhere yesterday. Went down the beach, up the beach, around the beach, that way to the wharf, then back here home, watched footy finals and walked back over there, walked around the street, like always wants to walk around. And I just think, oh, it's a holiday, you know, let's just do what he wants because we don't get these opportunities much. So really making the most of it and being considerate. If it was the other way around, I'm sure we wouldn't have the same smooth results. And you wives, you know what I'm talking about.
We need to enjoy our holidays. We'll just do more as we can, you know. Last night was so good. We're just walking around the stuff. So many people walking around and have fun on the beach. So that's pretty good for us.
They're getting all the bottles out of the public bins, and I just so feel like that would be my dad. Any event function he goes to, even though we're just like guests, and he will still go and collect all the bottles.
You don't watch? Oh, actually, look for coming off.
Oh yeah, babe. I was gonna book here those cabins, but they were so ugly inside. Guys, so we just parked here at the wharf. It's a beautiful view here, and we ended up having to go to the grocer because we went to the bait shop, the tackle shop, and they have this vending machine, this 24-hour bait vending machine, and it just was not working, or I wasn't doing it right. And we bought these little tweed bait prawns because yeah, no live bait. But look at this view. That Port Venture boat. Oh, where did the Port Venture boat go?
As you can see, guys, so we're going to vào kami sinai mukha ko ngiyas ngiyas sa lakula mo ko ise mo ya ava ma ko fi ava ya oi fi
Careful.
this joke.
Look at this. I don't even know what this is called. Is this a reef? We'll just look at it, okay? So beautiful. Look how nice and clear the water is. I like it a lot. Don't you have to take off the shell? Do you? Okay. First time fishing for both of us. Why would you chuck it into a rock, babe? Really stupid. Okay, so our first attempt, Aussie decided to chuck it into the rocks. And now it's stuck. And now it's stuck. This is so beautiful, honestly. فأنت وين الماء؟ Okay, we've hung up the ropes for our fishing rod and we are on our way to Nowra. I don't believe I've been to Nowra. Or maybe I have.
Nowra.
I don't know, but we're gonna go have breakfast there. It's about 20 minutes away. And
guess what, guys? Travis is so beautiful, to be honest. I really like it here.
he's so cute.
He's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I
and
just want to
peaceful.
stay here. I'm gonna buy a house here and live here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
By yourself?
If you don't want to live here, I'll just live myself. Yeah, boys. Oh, what?
Hi.
And yeah, really good of us. Enjoy our holiday. Oh, what?
Hey, shut up. So we're gonna go have breakfast now. This guy's pissing me off. And we'll probably go fishing again tonight because we didn't really get it at fish, but there was no one really fishing, and so I guess there's no fish. Where we were fishing, we don't really know where the fishing spots are. We don't have a boat, but in the future Aussie's gonna buy a boat too, so we can go fishing, deep sea fishing.
Yeah, I can live here, this area, and buy a boat so that I can fish every day and enjoy my life. Oh, what?
We'll see you guys at the cafe. Oh, I'm so hungry because it's last night. Are you hungry?
Oh, what?
So this will do?
Yeah, we're here at Sis Cafe, so we're gonna have a breakfast and be back to another bay or something. We'll just have a look around.
So apparently this is a caramel latte, but I did order a chai. Doesn't matter, whatever. I'm not going to be a Karen today. So I'm eating a cheesy egg and spinach on toasted croissant, and it's so good.
This is mine. It's an omelette. That's pretty good. And we got our coffee here, mocha and latte. This song is together. Two. Come on and on.
One and only who?
One and only person. My superhero. My Buggy Bubble.
Am I your superhero?
Yep. My Buggy Bubble. Makuha si Singol Pepe.
Wow!
Now, this song's gonna get to you. You need to listen carefully and think about the lyrics. Malavalata, let's sing Matua. I oh Manuna, oh Manune. sing. Yeah, sing it. Come on. Wow, mapo. Ele malo. Le mafai sa unoy. Yo, talinga fia falongo. Ja, matro 4 matafang. Awa ule sau male so vai sports machine. This is the whole beach here in Travis Bay. This is so beautiful. And your boy Georgie. Boy Georgie's over here. Look how beautiful. Oh. Start from screen.
Thumbnail.
From there. Look how nice. Ito mata-mata may i mea rea, rawai mea ona le lua e mea. O le ta ele lom tua Victoria i.
Oh, it's so ugly. Yeah. Look at it, the eyeballs. It's so weird.
Between the tentacles, between the eyes, up under it like a bird's beak. That's how they look.
Ah,
Here?
Yeah, it's
up here.
Not there.
hold it up here. See that?
Oh.
It's like a bird's beak. You'd know about it if that got you. It's bloody sharp. It's just
Oh, wow. That's gross.
yeah. They got beautiful colours through them though. Like there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wouldn't it?
Have fun with your calamari rings. Wait, let me try your fingers. No, not at all. Let's go get changed. I want to go to the beach. Maybe not this one. Let's go to our one. I don't smell it. Smell it. No.
Sing-songi.
No, it just smells like rubber.
Gọi là ô qua nên nó không ngại không ngại.
This big sissy girl.
Này đang ở đây four wheeler car ba.
Yeah. Big sissy get it ơi.
Thì nó gọi là ô đấy Asia car.
Yeah.
Kia
Ew, what is this? Oh, it's a pretty rock. New F new. Oh, okay, never mind.
Looks so beautiful. So nice. This is so nice. Wow.
Alright guys, we're back in our hotel. We just went for the longest drive along the coast, just to the different beaches here in Jarvis. And I think we found a beach that we want to go and swim at. So we've come back to the hotel to change. And then we're going to head over. We've got our esky here with some drinks, ice, snacks, because you know I always got to have some snacks. And then we're heading out to the beach. So we'll see you after we get ready. Oh, we missed it. Look how many people are there. You missed it, guys. You missed it.
So yeah, we're going to the beach, guys. Sẽ phải vệ sinh ngay swimmy á. Vệ sinh ngay phá suy rồi mua đi rồi sắp nha.
Yep, we're going to the beach. So I'm wearing a bikini under this, and we just saw like a bigger girl as well wearing it. I was like, oh, I should wear my bikini like this. And Ossie was like, oh, why don't you? He was like, yeah, man, if I was like, no, it's going on thighs, yeah. Or thighs, yeah. Thighs can you sell?
Thighs can pipi.
It's still our thighs, yeah. And then more when you see thighs, yeah. It's the Fanta face. Au! Maile. Huh? Yeah.
Ja,
Nej.
skal vi komme et bit?
Det får ingen se, boy.
Se hvad, skal vi komme et bit? Kom med.
Ay, oh, come a bit.
Oh, what? Beach boy, come on. Beautiful.
It's such a beautiful day here at the beach. We haven't vlogged much because we're just enjoying it. And Aussie's been inside a couple of times. The water is icy cold. It is freezing in there. I went in once and didn't go back in again. But our towels were in the sun and now it's in the shade. So we got to keep moving further down. And this is currently what's happening.
Dạ. Cô vậy bên bên đây. Việt ta sống bên bên ngoài cái câu.
Yeah. Ui, there.
Câu đủ phi nữa.
He's got a little, what are these called? I don't know.
Đâu biết hả?
Se kikkiä kun footballia.
What's up guys? So boy Georgina. Wow. Tan wola ne ya utata near Victoria. No wale termina o isi tangata e na te torua.
Kuloi lunga. Babe, you know how to. Your arms.
Huh?
Put your arms up. Okay, do aku aurima, eh. Stand up. Rightio, guys, we finally finished at the beach. Wow! We spent like 4 hours there, just sun tanning, chilling
with
swimming.
the billing with the chilling.
Yeah, it was really nice. We enjoyed
Really
ourselves a
nice.
lot. We didn't really vlog, but we just enjoyed it. I exfoliated my face, my elbows, involuntarily because I was just a sand magnet when I got out of the water.
And I body made it my.
What, babe?
Yeah, look, very tang. My body is tang like a Polynesian tang boy.
Honestly, I can't. So yeah, we're gonna go have a shower, freshen up, maybe have like a hour rest, just chilling, and then maybe go out to.
Do some more stuff for you guys. We're not telling you today.
All right, we're not telling you guys. We'll tell you guys when we're at the next scene.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks so much for coming along with us. We're
Yep.
really enjoying ourselves.
Very enjoy it.
And yeah, we've got 4 more days here, so it's
Four
it's
more
such a
days.
bliss. Absolute paradise. Yeah, so that's our plan for the rest of the evening.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Yep, thanks a lot. Whawhikai fo ia I ko sila marko mai moa mai. Ia o lea se kia maa ua. Holy day le mea. Kulisin mea.
Kulisin bea. Kulisin bea.
Ia on mea ngai maa ngai le whainga buenga malos. Maa ngai le vitamin D le nga whawhanga mai le lang, eh?
Sa ole.
Morning, guys. This is not how I like to come on camera, and I just realized that we didn't end off yesterday's vlog. We went to the Jarvis Bay Club for dinner. It's like an RSL. And then we came back, got our fishing rods, and then we went for some late night fishing. It's our first time fishing. I've never fished at all, but Aussies use different kinds of things and methods that they do in Samoa. So this is our first time using an actual rod, and honestly, we struggled and are struggling. Because it's like it looks easy, like you just chuck it over, but you got to make sure that everything's perfect. Takes a couple tries, and we still haven't mastered it. Sometimes the sinker and hook are not going down into the water, and sometimes the string is unraveling uncontrollably. So we're still getting used to it. Hopefully we will master it before we leave. But that's something that we're working on. So today we're going whale watching, and I've woken up early just to end this vlog off so I can start the next vlog. If you want comment of the day, then make sure that you do comment on our videos, and it depends on we do comment of the day depending on where we're at in that day. So make sure you're part of the Noti gang and you get in quick because we usually sometimes do comment of the day within the hour of posting it, depending on what we're doing. So comment of the day today, oh sorry, Aussie just said that I was too loud. Comment of the day today goes to Lua Nu'u Paula Sekoa. Good man, support your wifey. Nice to see you both. Missed yas. So Lua Nu'u, I always see her supporting both of us on this channel and on my personal channel. Thank you so much, Lua Nu'u. It does not go unnoticed. We see your name all the time and your support, so we really appreciate you. Aussie has a bit more dignity than I do because he's so concerned about how he looks.
And the comment of the day is going to Sarah Fui. Awesome, Victoria. Good to have support from your husband. So jealous you going on holiday. We're still locked in Regional Victoria. Thanks for sharing. Thank you for coming down and support us. We love you guys. See you guys next week.